Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda CTX700N. Metallic silver. This one has the DCT automatic transmission, ABS brakes, only 1,959 miles on this beautiful showroom condition 700cc modern cruiser with automatic transmission. Priced to sell quickly at just $44.99. Come by, don't miss out. This is the lowest price we've offered one of these gorgeous automatic bikes for. Easy to ride, easy to finance, great fuel economy, great for commuting or sport touring, long distance. Put some bags on it and a windscreen. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.